What's up, guys? So today we are doing 2 Chick-fil-A's. We already did one and this is our second. We already washed this side. As you can see, it's still wet. So this side came out really good. Dylan's over here soaping the drive-thru right now. We're just downstreaming today. And we have a little rust right here that I'm gonna try and get out. Only bad thing is it's really cold and really wet today. So, not sure how easy that's gonna come up, but we're gonna try it. So, cold. You see, it's not too bad. We got this coming this way. We got this. This isn't bad at all. And then you gotta wash this that way. But all this is pretty clean. We got a couple spots we need to just touch up, but for the most part, it's looking pretty good. So we do this Chick-fil-A bi-weekly. So every 2 weeks we come out here and wash. We do a chemical wash every time we're out here. And we do the other Chick-fil-A that we did this morning, or earlier today, every week, once a week, every Sunday, or Saturday night, depends. This is a brand new location, so we don't use the surface cleaner out here. A lot of people say that you can use a surface cleaner, but we don't. Not on new concrete. On older concrete, like the other Chick-fil-A, yeah. In certain spots, but out here, the brand new concrete, there's no way. Especially this concrete right here, this sidewalk, man. Oh my gosh, if you hit that with like any surface cleaner, you would just tear that cream coat right off of that. This stuff right here is a little more forgiving. It's a little harder concrete. But this sidewalk concrete right here, yeah. Good luck not putting lines in that concrete and etching it all up. Yeah, we're just out here washing. Let me show you what we're using. It's Gold Assassin. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep working. We got Gold Assassin right here as well. I'll probably spray a little bit right there. But this, we're gonna try and get out maybe today. It'll come out. So I'll bring it back in here just a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna try something I never tried. I don't have another sprayer with me, so I dumped out my Adams detail spray and put in some F9 bark, and we're gonna see if it works, because I don't have another sprayer, backpick sprayer or anything with me right now. and that one still has chemical in it, so I'm gonna try this. We'll just see if it works. I kind of have a feeling that it won't, but we'll try it. If it doesn't work, then we'll just tell the customer that we'll do it next time we come out, because it is a little wet and cold today. This works a little bit better on dry days that aren't so cold. Kind of blend it in a little bit. Yeah guys, not sure if that's gonna work or not, but it's the only thing I had, so we'll try it. See if it does anything. We're about to pull up on our last side. Right here. Got a beautiful sunset. Well guys, we're finishing up. Appreciate y'all coming along with us. I wish y'all could see kind of the finished product, but it's getting dark out here. So yeah guys, we will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'll show y'all the rust next time we're out here. All right.